parts card to help us finish this one. It was rolled over and it sat outside for a while. So we're gonna use the seats out of it. We're gonna use the dash. We got a new carpet for it because this carpet's kind of nasty. This one's actually pretty much rust free, but the frame is all bent from the rollover. And this and that. But underneath is pretty clean. And here's where we're at on this one. The SN95 carpet. Got an 8.8 in it. We'll slap in this. We got doors for it. They were 30 bucks each. We paid 60 for both the doors. Then I got a front radiator core support for 40 more dollars. I said 100 for all of it. And we bought that hatch off the same guy for 50 bucks. This hood came on that car. These fenders I bought a while ago and had them sitting around. I got them in a really good deal. This one's pretty much rust free too. It's not as clean as that one as far as rust goes, but it's not all bent up. So, and as you can see, the doors came off a GT, so that needs to be changed. But they're crank window doors, clean belt moldings. And what's that? Honestly, it's cleaning up pretty well in here. You got them all back, and we got to a stopping point on the car. Here's where we're at. Dashing. Those are the other ones, yeah. Seats. Back seats are in for good. The front seats aren't. I'm gonna do all the front work up here. And there they are. Sitting pretty. So I don't remember when the last time I did a video on this car was. But this one is moving along. Got a whole different nose on there. In better shape. And our most recent decision is we bought this SN95 engine. And it's going to go in here because it's easier. And this is coming out and going in there because that'll be easier. So it kind of sucks because we did a lot of work to make this fit, and now it's coming out, but it is what it is. It's going to be a better situation for us. Hatch came out really good. He painted it white the other day. Got our next pipe for it. She's nice and clean on the inside. Looks really good with the undercoating.
Repaired shock tower.
Yeah, the repaired shock tower. I don't even know if I did a video on that, but I probably did.
Yeah, you did.
On the other side, that's what she looks like. From this side, you can't even tell. The wire goes right over it. It's mint. It looks like a rust-free Fox.
Which it is.
It is a rust-free Fox. So yeah, that's where we're at. We grabbed a couple exhaust tips of a Ram at the junkyard, and he welded it on there to these GT tailpipes, and now we got a custom set of tailpipes. All this custom exhaust we're gonna have to make. Mine will be just bolt on, but ours will be, well, this one will be a little custom. And stole the windshield out of this one. You can see how bad that really is. And we put it in that one. Should just probably get the Lawrence Springs. Dude, this thing is coming along. update video. Radiator in. Everything's all together under here. The lights actually work. Everything's almost all wired up. There it is. We got the transmission in. Well, they did earlier today. It's got the Pro 5.0 shifter in it. We got a 9495 tranny and Bellhausen. Exhaust is up. Check that out. Oh, there's a ratchet over here. The floor mats is in. Looking pretty good, sitting good. Honestly, when counting it up, we have around $1,600 into the car. You can't beat that. There's a ratchet over there.
You know that?
What's up?
I'll not even put a front plate on it whenever it's short.
How would you?
No reason to.
It doesn't deserve one. As an antique, do you need to in Rhode Island?
Yeah, of course you do.
Nah.
It requires new tires for this state. The thing is, if they ask you, where's your front plate? You're like, oh, I didn't know that was required. It's not an antique.
Okay.
You're like, playing stupid. Like, it's an antique, we need it. It's like, hey, you do? It's like, oh, really? It's like, it's my first day on Earth.
Here it is. So that one moves now. Got the standard all set up in this one. Take it for a little spin with the girl and Chief over here. No more multicolored Mustang. Yeah, that's a white car. Hey, Brian.
Yeah?
Look at it from this angle right here.
Yeah, that's the one I was going to take a picture of, but...
Sounds pretty good. Thank you for anybody to watch this video. If you liked it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Helps us out a lot. Sorry for how not continuous this video was. We kind of wanted to get this car done fast, and it was kind of on a budget, so it didn't really occur to us to YouTube everything. But we are going to be doing things differently going forward. There is more to come for this car as well. But yeah, we didn't really cover everything we did for this car. But we've got more projects coming, and we definitely are going to do things a little bit differently. So hope to see you soon. Thank you. Have a good one.